Hey everyone, I'm Jared with the Crocker Homestead. We've been working all day, we're tired, and we're hungry, so we're getting ready to barbecue, celebrate my boy Jason Witten's retirement. As you can see, we got ourselves a little spread going on. While we get prepared for that, let's go do a quick tour of the house. As you can see, we cleaned up just a little bit. We actually have a floor now that you can see. We made this coffee table. We just need to clean it up a little bit. We got that fireplace lit. Got some of our Texas gear over here. We framed up the door to bedroom number 1. We're still gonna stain it a little bit darker, but we just put the first coat on. Follow me into my bedroom. So we were able to frame up the 2 skinny windows here, as you can see. And then we also framed up this window over here. We still need to put another coat of paint on it, but you guys get the idea. We got the fake shiplap that we made. We got the shiplap going on the ceiling, which I don't know if we showed you in the last video. Went ahead and mounted the TV for now just to get it off the floor. I was tired of not having a TV in my room, so went ahead and hung that up. Today, Jason built these Rustic barn doors. They're sliding ones. They're 2 feet wide each. We decided to use those instead of just a normal door because we like the whole farm style look. As you can see, they slide back and forth really easy. We're gonna go ahead and stain those probably almost as dark as the floor. And if you follow me into the bathroom here, it's a little bit of a mess, but just go ahead and just bear with us on that. Once again, we put in the glass door to the shower. I think it was roughly $500 from Home Depot. Last video we didn't have a vanity down here, so we're custom building everything. This is still not finished yet. We're gonna go ahead and finish that out maybe this weekend. That's just where you're gonna have extra towels and stuff. The doors and stuff open. We got all the plumbing down there. But yeah, this is just a quick updated tour video. Check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/The Crocker Homestead, or check us out here on YouTube at The Crocker Homestead.